Okay, I'm back. I don't know what happened last time, but all right, guys, what I said earlier is that I am going right now to the course lamination. Okay, guys, hello again. Taking 81 of you come in here with me. I was just finishing with the live, but I am taking you to one of our actually a class training going on right now with the Lash tint, Lash lift, and brow lamination. So going in right now. Let me turn this around so you can see. Okay, hello ladies. I know you. That's Miss Francie. You missing her? She wasn't in here with me. And tell me, what are we doing right now?
We're getting ready to tint her lashes.
Okay. All right.
We just permed them, and they're going to tint them next.
Very nice. How long ago we have been in here already? This course is gonna take how long?
This course only takes a couple hours.
All right. We did. This is what, guys. This is what's called a lash lift. Have we?
These bottom lashes. So I can color these.
Have we done the lash tint yet?
No.
No?
I'm getting ready to do the tinting.
I see. So we just stepping in to do this lash lift, and I know this lady is ready to make money. And look at it, look who's here.
I'm Tanya's favorite
student. And she couldn't be here without skipping a month.
Yep, I can.
What are we doing right now?
We doing the lash curl for her.
Okay, so lash curl is also lash perm,
Yep, lash curl.
lash lift. So there's so many terminology.
Yeah,
I really like that blue.
I like it.
Yeah, so that is what is curing the perm. It's the solution.
Yeah.
Really fancy looking. Hi, Maria. I know Maria is in Texas.
Oh,
How are you, Maria? Nice checking in with us here. And then we do have, hello, Chella. So when you're in here with me, you are watching the students are actually performing the lash lift, lash curl, or lash perm. They all mean the same thing. But right after this, they're ready to start making money. How exciting.
yeah.
So, hello, beautiful lady. So, okay, Chair want to say hi right now. Oh, they're looking great. It looks like they've curled already.
Yeah.
Very nice. So this class is so affordable, as I heard. And the class comes with a kit as well, Miss Francie?
Yes. Actually, if you do the lash lift, the lash permanent color, and the lamination, all have individual kits that come with them.
Okay, you hear, guys? I know you're in here with me. The lashes, the course itself comes with its own individual kit. And for what you are paying for, my goodness, this is just to almost feel like it's a free class. Because how much you can charge for this outside?
Well, our lash lift is, we charge here $110.
Oh,
for
man.
Just the lash lift.
Yeah, and the course is what? It's only about $150 for lamination, and the lift itself is about $150, $200, right? $350 the total for the three. Guys in here, if you're interested in signing up for these courses, you can call our front desk directly at 951-800-8007. And she can certainly giving you all the details about the course. I love it. Wow. Amazing. Yes. Right. So this is very interesting. I love this. So you immediately get this lash permed.
Just take a cotton swab.
Okay. So guys, they're doing lash lift right now, and yeah.
You put the fixing? Oh, yes.
So that's a little bit preview of what the class is. This is one of our first class having this procedures as lash lift, curl, or perm. I mean the same thing. And the next sections that they will be doing after this, they'll be doing lash tint. So someone had asked me, can you do a tint and the perm, you know, in the same day? And I say yes. You just have to, you know, rinse it out completely, and you would have to do the perm first for the cuticle to open, and then do the tint for the tint to really absorb and really quick. And later on, after this, they're gonna do a brow lamination, and I could not believe it. If some of you out there are having so much brows going on, but you don't want to do any tattoo, you don't want to do any microblading because you have such a full brows. Yes. Oh, really? Okay, we do have someone who already did a brows lamination. So I'm gonna let you see what the brow lamination's final looks like. Okay, baby. Okay. Oh, I love this. Now this is still in setting, right? Meaning that it's the stage where it's set, and then after when it's done, completely done. So it's going to stay like this, guys. I know she looks like one of those model, a runway model, where she's like, I don't care about life, right? But this is how it looks, where you don't need to do a microblading, where you don't need to do, you know, all that ombre looks, but you're having your own natural
Nice full
brows. This is what it is, guys. Okay, so from closer, that you would look like that, and so it really shows you, it gives you a features of having hair. Okay, now she's a model. She is a model. So for someone who has much more fuller brows, they would get a more accurate look. But for now, that's what brows lamination looks like, to give you, a full brows where you don't need to do a microblading or shading. Thank you so much, babe. All right, guys. So that's our class, and this class will be on every single month. It will be on every second week of the month, and that's Monday. It's 1 day course. The next course that we'll be having will be in April 8th. That's Monday. Don't quote me on that. I will post a date on for you. And we will be doing both on location and Zoom. Okay? So any one of you in here wanted to know about these courses at our Glamour Academy and wanted to sign up for our next course, which is in April, go ahead and direct message us or put like interested in here, and we'll bring it for you. Okay? Hey, I wanted to say hi to Lady. Oh my goodness, another one of our. Hey lady, you missing out, so I'm gonna come close for you. Okay, good morning to you. I'm gonna come close here where Miss Francie is working on this. Oh, you working, this is a tint. I missed that step. Oh, I talk too much. I talk too much, I missed this step. Okay, so guys, Jasprit had done the lash curl already, and now Miss Francie just finishing up with the lash tint, which is the color. So that is beautiful, where you can get these two services in one space. And the best thing about our products is that it doesn't take long, right, Francie?
No, this process was very fast.
At how many minutes are we talking about?
We did probably about 25 minutes for the lash lift, and then another 5 minutes, 10 minutes for the color. Open your eyes for me.
Yeah.
Get right
So from these two services, you get a potentially charging, from a pretty good price, right?
Yep. And now we're going to add a little conditioner to the lashes.
How you feel?
It's really good.
Yeah. So what is really good to you? Clarify
So,
that.
I have to check the mirror first.
Okay.
Then I can tell you.
Oh, give a
But
mirror.
the course
The mirror.
is really good. It's one day,
Uh-huh.
but you are getting too much.
Yeah. So it's almost like a free class.
Yes, almost like a free class. Yes.
I
my
did
God.
mention that before. It's
Look at
almost
my
like
eyebrows.
so beautiful. Look at this. Okay, so I want to come close to. So we do have before and after. Look, guys. Just look up. See, her lashes are already lifted. So good. And the other thing is that if you have someone who have really strong lashes, you can do it twice, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can.
Yeah, if you want to get it really curly.
Yeah, our best bet is that you can stay longer. Just stay there with the solution, stay longer. But all this will be explained to you in the course. So I'm not giving it away. Wow. So look, it's only done in about 25 minutes.
Yeah.
And then you get that really good result.
Yeah, it looks like she has mascara on.
Ah,
Did you look in the mirror?
she did.
And I'm just drying them to fluff them up a little bit.
Teary.
Are you crying? Or is that the keratin?
Oh. Okay, guys, you're missing out if you're not getting this course. Is that good, guys? You get a lot of learning. And you can immediately implement this right away when you get back and work. So, this is great. Lady, are you working today? Hey, Rosina, how are you? This is great.
Make sure that she doesn't have any more adhesive on her upper lid.
Yep, so
And a sticky eyelid.
this is a very nice, small, cozy class. And I'll bet you, even this afternoon when you come back, you already have clients waiting for you. You can do it right away.
Yes.
Yeah, you can do it right away. Yeah. So Jasprit, you have someone waiting for you?
Her husband.
Don't worry, I'm gonna take the facial.
Right.
You want me to sit?
Oh, you are working, lady. So yeah, this will be for you. You know, I know. I still wanted
Thank
to.
you. Oh my God.
Can I see the last things that are coming into your? Oh my God. Okay. There you go. That's good. Just your eyes, okay, Jasprit. I'm not getting your whole body.
Yeah, because my ears are messy.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. That's it. I said too much. So our next one will be in April, the second week of April. If you want to sign up, it's only about 1 day. 1 day, so you can bring in your model. And we can certainly use your model and get you to work right away. The next week that we're gonna have the class is going to be microblading and microshading, and that is one of our usual, and it's gonna be such a exciting. And not only that, because this is our first time that I will teach those classes along with the ombre. So if you enroll in the microblading shading next week course,
Lift your eyes. Like
I will also
Yeah.
add into a special features into that course, teaching you ombre as well. So if you're interested in getting the ombre, you can call us 951-800-8007 and maybe get you into last days of the week around Friday and Saturday. So those 2 days for the ombre. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you just taking you to feature what it looks like for a brows lamination, tint, and lift. Thank you. I will see you back again on Wednesday live at 12 noon. Appreciate you. Ciao. I'm going to turn this off.